Hi guys, it's Viara from Archipath, and in this video I'll go over how to use an iPad. I recently got one because I wanted to just test on how to draw, specifically like digital drawing, and this video will show you just me experimenting with Photoshop and just playing around and having fun with the different brush tools, and yeah. The iPad that I got is the iPad Air. I believe it's the iPad Air 13-inch one. Yes, the most recent one. I'd say it's quite good in terms of the scale. I also got iPad Pro Pencil with it, and this is what it looks like on the back. I'd say I was debating between a iPad Air or iPad Pro model, but I'd say the iPad Air one is quite cheaper, and if you only use it for drawing, then I'd say it's sufficient enough, especially the 13-inch, because I know some people are debating 11-inch. That's also good, but just for me it was too small, but it's good if you want to transport it or draw on the train, for example. It's called Kai Webster, so I just typed in his name in Photoshop brushes, and the first link, I'd say click on it, and then you can just scroll down, and you have a range of brushes that you can download. You can select different colours. Yes, so click on this, and then I'm going to go with the opacity, so you can see what I'm doing. Click on this layer and move it on top.